I'm going to tell you the simple way to approach using AI the same way I do when you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or whatever. It's really simple. First, you want to start with the outcome. What do you want the results to look like when you actually get your prompt in and it's done with everything it's doing? Also, you want to tell it what format you want the outcome to be in. Is it going to be text? Is it going to be a video? Is it going to be an image? Is it going to be a video? I think I said video twice. But anyway, you want to tell it the format. The next thing you want to do is actually tell it what you want, the details. Be as verbose as you can be so that the platform has enough information to give you the right result. Next thing you want to do is tell it what you don't want. A lot of times when people prompt, they don't tell the 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 AI what they don't want, and you have to tell it what you don't want. And the last thing, is, and it's optional, you want to provide it with some resources, maybe like a document, maybe it's a picture, maybe it's a screenshot. If it's an issue with maybe you're vibe coding something and there's an issue there, you want to do a screenshot, give explanation of what's going on. Maybe it's video. I mean, it can be anything, but you are a link to another resource so they can be able to get a better idea of what you're looking for. And that can even go a part of the negative part, what you don't want. So those are the four core things that you need to do when you want to prompt the AI. But that fifth one, it can be very crucial to how you get the results that you want back from AI.